Unlock affordable and flexible mobile service in the UK with a Lebara SIM card. Let's get it set up. First things first, power off your phone completely, then locate the SIM tray on your device. This is usually on the side of your phone. You might need a small SIM ejector tool or a straightened paperclip to open the tray. Once open, carefully place your Lebara SIM card into the tray. Ensuring the gold contacts are facing the right way, gently push the tray back into your phone. Now, power your phone back on. Your phone should now recognize the Lebara SIM. To start using your service, you'll need to activate it. The easiest way is to download the Lebara UK app from your app store. Alternatively, you can visit the Lebara UK website. You might need to register your details and confirm your SIM activation. With your SIM activated, it's time to add some credit. You can top up directly through the Lebara app or website, or at many convenience stores and supermarkets across the UK. Simply purchase a top-up voucher or enter your card details for an instant credit boost. Now, let's choose a plan that suits you. Lebara offers a variety of fantastic bundles with generous data, calls, and texts. Browse the available options in the Lebara app or on their website. Select your preferred plan and confirm the purchase using your top-it-up credit. You're all set. You can now make calls and send texts within the UK. To make calls, simply use your phone's dial pad for data. Ensure mobile data is enabled in your phone settings. Your chosen plan will automatically manage your allowances, so you can enjoy seamless communication and internet access throughout the UK.